Good evening. So, I don't know if I ever mentioned that we got some wine. I believe I did, but in case I didn't, we got some wine in the mail because I forgot to cancel my wink.com membership like usual, and we paid for some wine that we didn't need to be paying for, but we got some wine in the mail. And I never, I didn't do a video with it or anything because it's not something I plan to do. So I just never showed any of the wine that we got. But this one had one of those little screw off type, the ones where you like just pop the cork, like champagne. And tonight I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try that and see how it is. And as soon as I popped it, I realized that this was sparkling wine. Very sparkling wine. It's like straight champagne, look at that. I don't know, I didn't realize that that's what I was gonna be getting. And so I'm like super excited about it. Look, I feel like I'm fancy. Yeah, I had to break out the champagne flute because it's like champagne. It's this. I'm just enjoying my bubbly. Whatever kind of bubbly it is. Tobias is eating beets. So I'm gonna make Tobias a pancake just cause his nose is running again. Gosh, look at those cheeks, they're so red, baby. Why are they so red? Well, you poor baby. God. Ugh, I can't wait till his nose stops running. You okay? Gosh, your cheeks are so red, baby. Why are they so red? Why are your cheeks so red, baby? See, look at that red face. Why is his face red like that? He's not overly hot or anything. He's just, his cheeks are just burning up. What is going on with you, child? We got quite a lot of snow today. Yeah, you're not gonna go out there. Go ahead and try. Go ahead, Tennyson. Go ahead. Thomas got a paw out. Oh, and he regretted it. Get back in here. Get. You know you're not gonna go out there. Go on. You know you're not gonna go out there. Cut it out. It's pretty though. My pancake is burning. Oh yeah. That's the first time I burn a pancake in a long time. Do you want some more? You full? You full? Okay. Okay. Good night. I found these in the deep freeze. I hope they're okay. They smelled fine, but we'll see. And I found some old soup that my mom froze for me, and I'm trying to de-thaw it there. Defrost, not de-thaw. De-thawing would be cooking it or freezing it. De-thawing. That would be like refreezing. Anyway, gonna see how that is. I don't know. I'm just trying to find stuff to eat in the house because we literally have nothing except a little bit of salad. That's it. So I'm scrounging in the freezer. We're gonna go shopping tomorrow. So we'll get the house all stocked up with stuff, hopefully. Yes, we will. Tobias is putting random stuff in that box. We're playing a little Birth of Jesus house. He's just gonna destroy it. I worked very hard at that. Oh, he's just gonna put them away. Oh well. Are you just gonna put all that stuff away? Huh? Those don't really go in there, do they? Totally forgot to mention that, hello, it is New Year's Eve. We're not really doing anything. Don't choke me with that. If Bill gets here in time to, you know, ring in the new year with me, he looks like a crackhead with them white lips. He's eating yogurt. Should I say that? I shouldn't say that. He was a little upset that I already drank all of the sparkling wine that we had. So that sucks. But we have other wine. Stop it! We have other wine for us to drink when he gets here, if he gets here in time. If not, man, I guess I'll just crack that bottle open without him. It's already open. Half of it's gone. Anyway, Happy New Year. New year. Old me. I'm not gonna change at all. Mostly, I'm just gonna say what I always say, which is I'm gonna lose some weight. I can't get much fatter, right? Don't leave that in there. Hey! It ain't funny! He's crazy. Get ready to go to the store. Big shopping trip. Yep. It's a mess in here. That tree is coming down today. That tree is coming down today. If not today, tomorrow. I'm making you oatmeal. You got a piece of paper? Look at all the birds outside. Go look at all the birds. Go look at those birds. Really? You see the birds? Yeah, we still haven't taken that tree down. We'll take it down today. Well, check it out. The tree's gone again. Today we took down all of the Christmas decorations, the tree of course, and I organized it, like all of our decorations, all of our holiday decorations, Christmas, Halloween, all of them, and like cleaned up in the closet where they all go in our bedroom. But it's a mess in here. It's a mess in here. Isn't it? What are you doing?